Hello everyone and welcome back to The Luxury. Today we're counting down our top picks for luxury hotels in Curacao, so make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss out on anything. (10) Corendon Mangrove Beach Resort. Set in Willemstad, 2.2 kilometers from Parasasa Beach, Corendon Mangrove Beach Resort offers accommodation with a restaurant, free private parking, a fitness center, and a bar. Among the various facilities are a shared lounge, a garden, as well as a private beach area. The accommodation features a 24-hour front desk, room service, and currency exchange for guests. A buffet breakfast is available every morning at the hotel. Corendon Mangrove Beach Resort offers a children's playground. You can play table tennis at the accommodation, and bike hire and car hire are available. (9) Beach House Curacao. The beach house is set at the Sea Aquarium Beach and 10 minutes drive from Willemstad Historic City. It features a furnished balcony with a swimming pool. The apartments offer contemporary French Caribbean style decor with a seating area, sofa, flat screen TV, and balcony with sea views. The kitchens are equipped with a coffee maker, dishwasher, microwave, and fridge. The private bathrooms come with a shower. There are restaurants and bars within a walking distance. Other services at the beach house are laundry, babysitting, and airport shuttle with an extra charge. The guests can also visit the Curacao Sea Aquarium just 300 meters away. (8) Curacao Marriott Beach Resort. Located in Willemstad, 80 meters from Parasasa Beach, Curacao Marriott Beach Resort provides accommodation with a restaurant, free private parking, an outdoor swimming pool, and a fitness center. Among the various facilities of this property are a bar, a shared lounge, and a garden. The accommodation offers a 24-hour front desk, room service, and ticket service for guests. A continental breakfast is available daily at the hotel. Curacao Marriott Beach Resort offers a terrace. The accommodation also provides a business center, and guests can check the newspapers or use the fax machine and photocopier at the Curacao Marriott Beach Resort. Queen Emma Bridge is 9 kilometers from the hotel, while Curacao Sea is 11 kilometers away. The nearest airport is Curacao International Airport, 7 meters from Curacao Marriott Beach Resort. (7) Dreams Curacao Resort Spa and Casino. Set in Willemstad, Dreams Curacao Resort Spa and Casino offers beachfront accommodation 1.2 kilometers from Parasasa Beach and features various facilities such as a restaurant, a bar, and a garden. Among the facilities at this property are room service and a kids club, along with free Wi-Fi throughout the property. The resort offers an outdoor swimming pool, fitness center, evening entertainment, and a 24-hour front desk. Buffet and American breakfast options are available every morning at the resort. Dreams Curacao Resort Spa and Casino offers a children's playground. You can play billiards and tennis at the accommodation, and the area is popular for snorkeling. (6) Sunscape Curacao Resort Spa and Casino. The Sunscape Curacao Resort Spa and Casino offers an outdoor pool, a sauna, and a free town centre shuttle service. This all-inclusive features massage service and free parking on site. The rooms present colourful beddings, views of the ocean or the gardens, and a cable TV. The private bathrooms offer free toiletries and have showers. The food and beverages are included when staying at the Sunscape Curacao, and guests may choose from 6 gourmet restaurants, including 4 a la carte, 1 buffet, and a cafe. Wi-Fi is available in the lobby. Curacao International Airport is 20 minutes drive from the resort, and central Willemstad can be reached in 8 minutes by car. Five. Curacao Avila Beach Hotel. Curacao Avila Beach Hotel is situated on the beach, just 5 minutes drive from central Willemstad on the island of Curacao. This hotel offers access to a variety of activities, a full-service spa, and an array of dining and beverage options. Avila Hotel features an outdoor pool and state-of-the-art fitness centre. Guests can spend a day scuba diving or swimming with dolphins, then relax with a massage in the Cloud9 Spa. After playing a game of golf at a nearby course, guests can relax on the beach. The Blues restaurant at the Avila Hotel serves fresh seafood for dinner, in addition to live jazz music. Guests can visit the hotel's Avila Cafe for an extensive breakfast buffet, then stop by the Bell Terrace for lunch and dinner. Kontiki Beach Resort. This property is a 3 minutes walk away from the beach, where they have their own 2 beach clubs, Cabana Beach and Mood Beach. Situated right on Seaquarium Beach, Kontiki Beach Resort offers a total of 5 saltwater pools in a tropical garden and attractive modern accommodations with a private veranda. Rooms at Kontiki Beach Resort feature a TV, safe, air conditioning, and dark wood paneling. Each room comes with free Wi-Fi, a fridge, and a private bathroom featuring a shower and separate bath. The resort can arrange a variety of activities with pickup at the property. Hato Airport is a 20-minute drive from Kontiki Beach Resort. Renaissance Curacao Resort. Featuring a private beach club and a carnival casino, this Willemstad Curacao Resort is located in the centre of the Dutch Caribbean. The resort offers a saltwater infinity pool and freshwater pool. Wi-Fi is available in this resort that holds a 4-diamond award. At Renaissance Curacao Resort and Casino, guest rooms provide private balconies, coffee facilities, and a small fridge. Guests can watch the HBO channels in each room on a 32-inch flat-screen TV. The bathrooms include bathrobes and slippers. The available services include car rentals and a business centre. Renaissance Curacao Resort and Casino boasts 4 restaurants: Nautilus Restaurant featuring international cuisine, the Infinity Beach Bar, Blue, and a Starbucks kiosk. A state-of-the-art fitness centre and a jogging trail are offered. A mall situated next to this property offers an array of stores, bars, restaurants, and entertainment options. Queen Emma Bridge is 400 metres from the Renaissance Curacao, while Curacao Sea Aquarium is 5 kilometres from the property. The nearest airport is Curacao International Airport, 9 kilometres from the property. Two. Santa Barbara Beach and Golf Resort. Tenerife Santa Barbara Golf and Ocean Club is located in the Golfe du Sur, 100 metres from the beach. It offers an outdoor pool, spa with hot tub, and sauna apartments with a private balcony. All apartments at the Santa Barbara Tenerife feature a seating area with sofas, flat-screen satellite TV, and a DVD player, as well as a kitchen with a fridge. The private bathrooms come with a hairdryer and free toiletries. Some rooms have sea views and air conditioning. Featuring landscaped gardens and spectacular views of the Atlantic Ocean, the Santa Barbara Hotel offers entertainment options such as games rooms, children's club, and a nightclub. The Melrose restaurant offers a range of local and international cuisine, and guests can enjoy a drink or snack in the pool bar. For your convenience, a grocery store is available on site. Golf de Sur and Armarilla golf courses are under 5 minutes walk away from the Golf and Ocean Club. Tenerife Sur Airport is a 20-minute drive away. Baoase Luxury Resort. Set on a beach dotted with palm trees, this luxe tropical-style resort is 2 kilometers from the trendy Mambo Beach and 3 kilometers from the historic Fort Amsterdam. With its pleasant climate year-round and its location outside the hurricane belt, Curacao is the ideal holiday destination. Therefore, Baoase Luxury Resort has no annual closure. Rates at Baoase Luxury Resort start from $575 per night for 2 persons. Rates change based on room type, number of guests, season, and availability. If you're looking for the ultimate short stay getaway, the Baoase 2-night romantic escape package is ideal. Baoase Luxury Resort is a unique vacation experience, offering the intimacy of a private villa or suite, complemented by the luxury services and amenities of a 5-star resort. What if everything would be possible? That's where you find Baoase. With its meandering freeform pools, waterfalls, swaying palm trees, and an idyllic private beach, it is the luxury resort of the Caribbean. Have a haven of relaxation, barefoot elegance, and impeccable service. That brings us to the end of today's video. Which one did you like the most? Do let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in our next one.